You already know what you should be doing. You're just not doing it. Not because you're lazy, because every time it's time to move, you hesitate. You think. You weigh it up. You give it time. And just like that, you're out. You're back in your head, and you call that being careful. You call it being smart. It's not. It's hesitation dressed up as intelligence. Because if you're honest, most of the time you already know the move. You just don't trust yourself enough to make it. So you stall. You run scenarios. You wait for a level of certainty that never actually shows up. And eventually, the moment's gone. Then you reset. Next time I'll act. No, you won't. Because the pattern didn't change. This isn't about discipline. It's not about willpower. It's about what you're operating from underneath. That hesitation, it didn't come from nowhere. It came from something you've been running for a long time. Something you never actually looked at directly. So every time you try to push through it, you're fighting the symptom, not the source. That's why it keeps happening. Different situations, same outcome. If you want that to stop, you don't push harder. You don't force action. You see what's underneath. If you want to see what's actually driving that hesitation, not the version you tell yourself, the real one, I put something together that walks you through that. It's below. Go through it properly, or keep doing what you've been doing. Thinking, waiting, talking yourself out of your own life.